Welcome to the Star Rating System How-To Guide presentation. This presentation is brought to you by the Community Mental Health Fund, supporting equitable and quality mental health care in Jackson County. In this presentation, we will review the Star Rating System, purpose, process, results, and next steps. The primary objective of the Star Rating System self-assessment is to enhance participating organizations' performance in providing culturally and linguistically consistent services. This self-assessment is completed across 5 defined essential areas: readiness for cultural change, language access structure, ADA compliance, cultural competency action plan, and policies, sustainability, and commitment. Each essential area has 5 quality measures that you will self-assess your organization. Document progress and capture available data to establish a score for each quality measure. Here is an example. Essential area number 1, readiness for cultural change. The organization is diverse, equitable, and inclusive. The quality measure 1.1 is: the organization integrates diverse and inclusive practices into its overall operational structures. Quality measure 1.2. The organization's board, staff, and management are diverse and reflective of the community in which the organization works, and so on. Please take your time to read and understand all quality measures in the self-assessment. Once you complete the assessment for each quality measure, you will assign a score according to the assigned rubric and tally the results. Here is the rubric assigned to each quality measure. 0 points. If your organization has not discussed and there are no measurable plans to implement the quality measure. 1 point. If your organization has been discussed and documentation exists, but there is no active effort. 2 points. The organization has implemented projects and initiatives and has documented allocated resources. And 3 points. If the organization has fully implemented the quality measure and annually assesses its effectiveness. An organization may score a minimum of 15 points in each essential area and a maximum overall score of 75 points. We highly recommend documenting your progress and capturing your process by collecting all necessary documents such as survey data, activities reports, minutes, flyers, policies and procedures, or any other document that supports the activities of each quality measure and helps increase your points. The number of overall points you score will designate your star rating. 15 to 29 points, 1 star. 30 to 44 points, 2 stars. 45 to 59 points, 3 stars. 60 to 74 points, 4 stars. And a full 75 points will give you 5 stars. Upgrading your star designation. We believe that the Star Rating System will offer valuable and comprehensive information based on the data provided by the self-assessment tool. Organizations may upgrade their star rating by addressing specific gaps and planning for fundamental changes that will increase their score. Now let's talk about the expectations of participating organizations in the Star Rating System self-assessment. At the organizational level, cultural competency or responsiveness refers to a set of congruent behaviors, attitudes, and policies that enable a system, agency, or group of professionals to work effectively in multicultural environments. Are you ready to take this journey? Readiness for change refers to organizational members' shared resolve to implement a change commitment, and a shared belief in their collective capability to do so. Regardless of where you are in this journey, it is always good practice to consider what you need to effectively complete the STAR rating system self-assessment tool. Let's make sure you have the basic support to complete the STAR rating system self-assessment before you start. Here are a few recommendations. Leadership should know and support this process. Convene a team or committee. This is not a one-person project. Allocate time to work on and discuss the process with your team. Create a timeline schedule to document objectives. And develop a communication and logistics plan to report your organization and leadership, progress, and potential barriers. If your organization has already done some work around cultural competency and is ready to implement change, you can find a wealth of resources in our STAR rating system toolboxes for each essential area that will help you with examples and best practices. Now let's talk about the limited technical assistance available to participating organizations. The technical assistance process is a targeted approach to assist organizations to help you navigate the STAR rating system self-assessment process and provide recommendations for an action plan and next steps once you have completed the self-assessment. The limited technical assistance is a 6-hour short-term process focused on the STAR rating system self-assessment and includes the following phases. 1. Initial orientation meeting. A meet and greet meeting to get to know your team for this project and help you navigate the STAR rating system self-assessment. 2. A check-in meeting to evaluate your self-assessment journey and provide assistance to help you complete your self-assessment. 3 is a dialogue after you have completed your self-assessment to review identified gaps and priority setting. And the 4th phase is a final discussion for action planning, recommendations, and your final STAR designation. The 5th and final phase will consist of developing a findings and recommendations report based on all 5 essential areas specific to your self-assessment results. There is no financial cost for participating organizations, but there is an application process that your organization needs to complete. Available at our website, jacksoncountycares.org. The technical assistance will be provided by Culture Journey LLC. However, organizations that receive support from the Community Mental Health Fund and seek more in-depth assistance or want to work with another consultant may apply for the Innovation Funding Resource. Available on our website at jacksoncountycares.org. Keep in mind that we have limited available spots for technical assistance, and applications will be approved on a first-come, first-served basis. And as a conclusion, we want to congratulate you for taking this step on improving your organization's ability to provide culturally and linguistically appropriate services to an ever-growing diverse community. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.